Okay, we're going to do a cold start of a 73 Moto Guzzi Eldorado 850. It's a new National Touring windshield, heavy duty, newly installed, upgraded LED headlight, LED bulbs and turn signals. It's a very low mileage for this type of bike, 38,000. 514, you can see the tach works, speedometer works. It's got the Wixom bags. Starter, it's got a new generator in there, upgraded the horns to dual truck horns so you can be heard, upgraded taillight, we got taillights on the bags, LED bulbs and the signals. Put the signals on for you. Oh, there we go. These LED bulbs kind of look funny in the video, but they work. So, loud horn, new mirrors. She's all pretty and ready to go to the next owner. And I'll do another video of me taking her for a spin around the parking lot.